Went the wrong way. I have no idea where I'm at now. Crossroad. Yeah, I definitely went the wrong way. And there's a truck. Fuck, dude.
No.
It's the red truck again, dude. Oh, shit.
Did they see you?
Yeah, he saw me.
Try to escape in the forest or something where you can't drive.
Shit, dude. I'm screwed. I'm screwed. Fuck out of here. He's just circling. It's that same dude, man.
Oh no. Nowhere
But I got a barricade here, and I'm jumping over the barricade as he comes close. And he can't go over the barricade, so he's looping around. He's gonna keep looping around until I go somewhere.
And I start running toward you. Maybe I can hatchet his truck or something.
Yeah. Shit. Oh shit, dude! They're like shooting me now. Oh shit, I'm dead.
Oh no. Did you
I don't
die?
know where he's shooting me from. Not yet.
Run like the wind, man.
Yeah, I died. Shit, man.
Ah.
The one guy must have got out of the truck and he was shooting me from behind and he got a couple shots before I could even get there. I have no idea how I even died. I don't know if he shot me to death or if the guy came back and ran me over. It just killed me real quick. Shit, man, that stupid red truck. That bastard. I had it down too. I was jumping over the barricade, like constantly, just jumping right back and forth.